Stick your legs far out. It's kind of interesting.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! You spun hella faster when you did that. When you stuck your leg out, your thing got off balance, so it spun faster. It spun faster when he stuck his leg out. That was that was kind of funny. As soon as you stuck your leg out, the thing just like jolted to the left. Whew. Want some water?
I'm so dizzy.
Yeah. Alright, ready? Oh, okay, ready? Ready, I'm gonna die.
What?
I'm gonna die, ready?
Okay.
I'm gonna go. Tell me when to go.
Go now.
Go.
Right.
Stick your legs down.
No, that what the fuck? It went like sideways. Oh. Oh fuck. Oh. Right, my head.
Yeah, I think I'm done. I feel sick. I couldn't even stand up holding the
Great
pole.
job.
He lied to me, Adam, not to you.
To you? Wait, okay. So he got slipped it?
Yeah, supposedly.
My face is all
Chewy.
warm.